Good morning, ma'am. I'm Lisa Bashir. I will tackle about flora and fauna of the Philippines. At at sari-sariling lugar. Flora. Flora in the Philippines. The Philippines is one of the world's biodiversity hotspot, processing more than 12,000 different species of plants, 560 recognized bird species, 180 species of terrestrial mammals, and 250 reptiles, and 400 species of coral, and 1,000 different fishes. The Philippines, a tropical country located in Southeast Asia, is blessed with a beautiful, diverse and colorful water creatures, insects, and unique flowering plants. Here are some of the most beautiful and unique plants that you'll find in the Philippines. Flora is the plant life occurring in particular region or time. Generally, the naturally occurring or indigenous native plant life. Fauna are defined as the animals' characteristics of a particular time period or a particular location. It refers to the animals. This is the example of flora, Paphiopedilum fowli. This beautiful and unique shaped flower is from Paphiopedilum fowli. It is native to the beautiful island of Palawan, the Philippines' last frontier. This species, which is threatened by loss of habitat, inhabits tropical and subtropical forests. Peltate nepenthes. This strange-looking plant is not a colorful toilet bowl. It is scientifically called Nepenthes peltate, a tropical perch plant that can be found only from the upper slope of Mountain Hamigitin, Mindanao in southern Philippines. The plant is characterized by a peltate tendril attachment and conspicuous endomentum. Paphiopedilum cellulaire. Another lovely plant that belongs to the orchidae family in the Paphiopedilum cellulaire. Like the other two unique plants above, this species is threatened by loss of habitat. It also inhabits tropical and subtropical forests. Medinilla magnifica, commonly called rose grape, belong to the family of plants called Melastomataceae. This is a stunning flower endemic to the Philippines. It is usually found in high altitude, growing up to 6 feet. The shrub has either rib or wing stem and glossy green leaves with conspicuously pale vein. The flowers are breathtaking, growing as a branch of small pink cluster attached by each curved leaves. Amyema incarnatiflora belong to the family of Florantaceae. This particular species, called the mountainous region of Cabanbaran in Agusan del Norte, as well as the thick jungles of Cagayan province as its home. The bunch of slender pink flower is a beauty, forming a shape of half-open parasol. Dilenia monata. This species is unique to the Philippines and produces only a single flower. Mananta, after all, is derived from the Greek word mono and anthos. The richly yellow flower is a spectacular sight thanks largely to the bottom colors that resemble a spider. Plumera acuminata. The flowers are very fragrant and a source of scent for perfume. They have no nectars but scent potential pollinators that would go from flower to flower, searching for food in vain to transferring the pollens in process. Papilodilum adductum, a member of the Orchidaceae family and is endemic to the Philippines. Usually found in the tropical moist lowland forest, the specific name is derived from the fact that it belongs to the family of orchids and that the shape of its stemnoid severely adducted, that is severely bent backwards. Rafflesia maniliana. The specific name of this species is derived from its genus Rafflesia, who first obtained a specimen from city of Manila. This particular species is the world's largest and endemic. It has a false smiling flower and is pollinated by carrion flies. Fauna in the Philippines. The Philippines may be a small country compared to other countries, but despite the Philippines has rich biodiversity. In fact, there are many plant and animal species that are only found. The Philippines has among the highest rate of discovery in the world, with 16 new species of mammals discovered in the last 10 years. World largest clam. It is considered to be the largest clam in the world, and inside it is the largest bird named the bird of Laoju. Its weight 14 pounds and measures 9.5 inches long and 5.5 inches in diameter. It was valued 42 million and 600 years of age. Endangered dwarf buffalo. It is a dwarf buffalo which is only found in the island of Palawan. It looks like a normal water buffalo, but it is a quite smaller. People used to call Mindoro as the land of tamaras. About 10,000 heads of this unique water buffalo were roaming around in the island province of Mindoro in 90s. Today, the tamaraw in the province are in danger of extinction, and Mindoro might lose the symbol that it once proudly introduced to the world. Pilandog. South of Palawan lies the Balabac Island, home of the world's smallest hoofed mammal, the Philippine mouse deer. It belongs to the family of Tarangelidae in mammalian order. The male species has no antlers like those of real deer. Instead it uses large canine teeth on its upper lobe for self-defense, in the same way of deer uses its antlers. Philippine eagle, one of the largest eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle. The Philippine eagle live in the rainforest of Isabela, Samar Leyte, and Mindanao. Hog deer, Calamian Island, north of Palawan province, keep a species of a deer that cannot be found elsewhere. Scientists refer to the hog deer in the island as Calamian deer in order to distinguish them from other hog deer in the world. Tarsier. In many respects, the Philippine tarsier is different from the other animals, considered as the world's smallest primate. It measures only about 12 centimeters in length. Its two big eyes cannot move and do not have a tapetum, the upper protective tissue. It has also two grooming claws on each foot and an almost bald tail extending about 9 inches.